In chemistry, moles are used as like a basic concept to determine how many tiny particles or atoms something is made up of. Because they're so tiny, they use a special number called Avogadro's number. That's like 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd power. That's just a unit of measurement to show how many particles, because they're so tiny, how many particles something has. So to give a visual of that, I'm going to be using some vinegar and sodium bicarbonate, which is just baking soda, to illustrate that. So I won't be giving like exact measurements because I just want you to visually see what happens. So I'm gonna use some vinegar. I'll pour in about 100 milliliters of vinegar and put it on the scale. As you can see, it's 153.7 grams. Now I'm just gonna take some baking soda. I don't want to get like that much because I don't want it to overflow. So when you mix vinegar and baking soda, carbon dioxide is released. So that is gonna be the moles that are being released. So right now, so together, let's put them on there together. So put the vinegar and the baking soda on there. So together they weigh 167 grams. So what happens when I mix them together and they produce carbon dioxide? Notice how it was 167 and you notice how it's still going down. That's carbon dioxide being released. Those are the molecules. So just to show a visual of the molecules that are being released, it just keeps going down. It started at 167. Now it's down to 162.3. So that's how much carbon dioxide was released when we mixed the baking soda and the vinegar. May still keep going down a little bit more. It's at 162.1. It might get to 162.0. Yeah. So that's just a visual to show like what happens, what are moles. Moles are just tiny particles, and they use Avogadro's number as a unit of measurement to try to weigh it. But this is just a quick visualization of what it looks like. What moles, how they define moles, basically. See, now it's down to 161.9. So we started at 167, now it's down to 161.9. That's how much. So if I stir it to get all the reaction out to where it's no longer reaction, I wonder how much it is. Where it's no longer bubbling. It sounds like it still got some more baking soda in there that needs to get out. Because you can hear it still fizzing. I think that should about do it. So now let's see how much it weighs. It was what, 161.9? What is it now? 161.6. So that just shows you how much carbon dioxide was released. More videos coming soon. Subscribe to the channel, like and comment. Trey T out. Peace.